Hello everyone, welcome to Techvity Investing's Basics of Options free learning course on YouTube. So this is actually a course that we are doing based on user generated demand for such a course. So we are going to try to have uh, about a 90-minute course on options where we will try to cover only the basics of what options are and how you can take a trade. So let's go. Before we start, for the entire duration of the course, this disclaimer is very important. Firstly, we don't take any responsibility in profits or losses of viewers. They are the sole discretion of the viewer whether to take a trade and what kind of profits or losses are made. This is majorly educational content. Derivatives and futures, like futures and options, are highly risky instruments. Investments made without complete knowledge are dangerous to health and wealth. So, with that disclaimer, let us start. What we will cover in this series. So, firstly, we will start with basic terminology and how to remember those terminologies. What is an option? We will have details about option buying, selling, call options, put options, how they're priced, not in detail how they are priced, but basics of how they are priced. Other technical aspects like moneyness of an option, open interest, option chain, so on and so forth. So by the end of this course, you will have a basic understanding of what options are, how you can take a trade, but we will not be getting into strategies or how options are priced. For that, we have something for our viewers, which we will talk about later, right? And how will we achieve all of these things? So what we want to do is keep this session as interesting as possible and very simple to understand. So a lot of the times derivatives can get really complicated, so the idea here is to have a very simple course so that you can understand and feel confident about options trading. We will have a lot of examples using illustrations and also personal experiences. And what we will do is break concepts into small videos, typically 5 to 15 minutes each, and try to cover one by one the pieces of options, right? So, for people who already know the basic stuff and want to learn winning strategies, or they want to learn about Greeks, okay, we are working on some advanced options courses, which we will be putting in the link in the description below when they are ready. So maybe not immediately after this upload, but if you're watching after some time, do check the link and you might have some access to some courses there. And only one request. So this is being done out of some spare time and a lot of requests from people. The only request is that make sure to subscribe our channel, share this content with as many people as possible, because many people can benefit from what we will see across this course on options, and like and comment.